Welcome to the vibrant world of high-demand plant nurseries. Here, exotic houseplants and medicinal herbs flourish, captivating plant enthusiasts and herbalists alike. Diving into the literature, the plant messiah emerges as a beacon for those passionate about preserving rare flora. It's a treasure trove of inspiration for anyone aiming to replicate such miracles in their own nurseries. For practical guidance, the new Seed Starter's Handbook and the Herb Bible lay down the fundamentals of seed starting and herb cultivation. These books are essential for mastering the art of growing sought-after plants. Podcasts like the Plant Podcast and the Herb Nerd Podcast offer a wealth of knowledge, from expert interviews to cultivation tips tailored for rare and medicinal plants, all accessible with just a click. YouTube also serves as an incredible resource. Videos like 10 rare houseplants you need in your life and how to grow medicinal herbs at home provide visual and practical advice to enhance your gardening skills. For those looking to deepen their expertise, online courses such as starting a plant nursery and growing medicinal herbs offer structured learning paths from planting to harvest. Websites like the Spruce and Herbal Academy are goldmines for ongoing learning. They host a plethora of articles that cover everything from basic plant care to advanced propagation techniques. With these resources at your fingertips, the journey to running a successful high-demand plant nursery is not just a dream, but a feasible reality. Let your passion for rare and medicinal plants grow wild.